MDC Kamal Kilaim Kra uba Fantin J Lakadong baru MDC Barem ke Jirang Constituency uba William Minsong kibalaya eno ya keseng Kongres bat penyeso Syaka National People's Party haka arpulai terik urimpang hajar arpuar. Yakini ki arngut lem ke Kongres Merik Harpuri MDC nanong shken lapdiang sengubah da ke NPP ke jingwan penyeso jongki da Menteri Rangba ke jela u Konrad K Sangma u Badairu u National President haka jingidon lang kinang lam bahakman.
Maso baga ada itang ka NPP party kabalawan ra kita kesinsyar kabateli kesinsyar kabaklan namata ke jela ke jongi ladang ilaban penklan ya kawai ke party ya ke ipat ngin kuat syuk balenginya peranginya paj balenginya penbun party hapok ke jela balengin penmi kendrum kendram ladang ilaban penklan tang ya kawai ke party ngawan nak National Party mentaru ngarung sa National Party bang ngasu sarong ngasu khlau bang ngarung sa National Party bang ngasu sarong ya ke NPP ke bakala ban suthit sa kiwei ki jelah ke North East kadai ke bentalang jongi ngimla ban ong bangin song tang hapo state la jong henrei ngasu khlau ba kami naka jelah ke jongi kami ke National Party nak jelah ke jongi kata nga ay burom ya i honorable CM ibala yalam ya ke parti pada pedeng ki jing ki babun nasoba ngiri ben ay ka support i ban ben klan susu nang ben ketiu susu ya kan ke parti
nga so komen hadu kata manta kasmi banga dai kabanangkong banga join sa kanila parti hakane ke jing im gujonga nadu banga room kongres nalus nam prapuar bat hadin kata ngampat join hangno te mata kasinga so komen ban join yang nigas NPP hapo ke jing lam jong chief minister jungi ngawan join hakane tangkawai gatau gatau banangkong golong banga ich palat iyo porno soma I love the Porno Soma, late Porno Soma, the father of our chief minister. He was before a speaker of our government of India, and J.D. Rambai was also speaker of our state. So we were together and worked together during that time. We are in the same party. Also, he was a chief minister. Let Porno Soma of our state at that time. Dr. Didi Lapang, Home Minister at that time. So 2-3 of us we used to have a meeting and to solve the problem of our state and to bring more development from the central government in our state. And during that time, they have done more development in our state. I am very proud. So now, I want to work together with Konrad Sangma, his son, like his father that time. So that to strengthen our party NPP, to bring that the party should be single party and next year.